Good morning, everybody. It is a absolutely gorgeous spring day here in Florida today. The humidity, not so bad. I know I always talk about humidity. I think that's a Floridian thing. Anyway, we have seen lots of crazy things going on in the last couple of weeks, and it really doesn't really have a huge impact, or hasn't had a huge impact on us in what we do every day. Mentally is another thing, but really what has kept us going and what always keeps us going is the fact that homestead life, farming life, it doesn't stop when the world goes crazy. It doesn't stop when things are happening around in your house, in your home, with your family. It never stops. So that is a blessing to us right now, because it keeps us busy and keeps us focused on what we are here for. And it actually has been a huge motivator to keep doing what we're doing, because we have seen an uptick in our orders in the last week. Our orders have doubled since last week, and I've picked one that I'm actually going to do a packing video and show you how we package our orders for shipping. It's a pretty big order, so I thought it would be a good one to show you, and also how we do our samples that we have, but really just to tell you that things aren't always, the world outside never changes your farm. The animals still want to get fed. They still want you to come out and play with them and love on them and make sure they have all of the things. The farm life doesn't stop for what's going on in the world. So that's been really helpful for us in the past 2 weeks, and encouraging that people are, they still want pictures of goats. They still want to talk to me about goats, and that's what I'm here for. And I know that we started doing this ourselves because we wanted to be more self-sufficient, and we wanted to know what was going into our food. And I think people are seeing the more and more we do this, the more and more interest there is in other people sharing those same interests and that same desire and passion for what they're doing. And so that's why I teach whatever I can, and I help people with goats, and I mentor them all the time to help them to do things the way we do if they want to, because we raise our goats naturally. So I always help people with alternative treatments, any issues we try to resolve together. And I teach people how to milk. If you come and purchase goats, if you come and you want to learn about goats, I'll talk to you all day. And I really try to be as available as I can. I do have to put limits on it, but I really do try to be as available as I can to answer questions people have, who have gotten to know me and want to know how we do things. And I really do try to explain as best I can. But anyway, so we're going to pack an order today. And I'm going to get my gloves on. If you didn't know it, y'all need to wash your hands. I just washed my hands before I put the gloves on. I wash my hands like 1,000 times a day. It's one of the best ways to keep healthy, stay home when you're sick, work on your immune system by eating as healthy as you can. I've seen lots of people buying toilet paper, not so many people buying fruits and vegetables. So those we were able to get just fine. Crazy as it is, you actually fight illness from the inside first, your immune system. So, and what feeds your immune system, but what you put in your body. So anyway, we have, these are my favorite little boxes from the post office. They're a little priority mail shipping box, and they should fit all of these soaps, which we have 12, I think, to go in here, 12 bars. And I'm just gonna check them off as I go here. But I'll tell you each one. We have, let's see, they ordered 3 of one of my favorites. They're all my favorites, but this one's really feminine. It's very uplifting. It is a love spell. It's a duplicate of a Victoria's Secret scent. It smells really good, really pretty. A little glitter on top. It's a beautiful bar. All those in there, and we still had a few remaining. I just put these back on the website because I had taken them off, but I realized we still had a few more of our limited edition gold frankincense and myrrh, which includes a fragrance plus essential oils. The frankincense, it even has a mica line with a mica that includes a 24 karat gold, so that's gold, frankincense, and myrrh, and then a bergamot lime, which is also an essential oil blend, also fragrance free and totally natural colorants. We used a beetroot powder, kelp powder, alfalfa powder, and pink French clay to do the colorants in that one. So it's an all natural. And then we have two of our Girls Just Want to Have Fun, which the fragrance is actually another duplicate. It's a duplicate of Viva La Juicy. Very fun, very colorful. One of my favorites. It's a confetti soap, really pretty. And it was the first confetti soap I ever did, so I had a lot of fun doing that one, and I'll definitely be doing that one again. And then we have Pearberry. It's one that is in our spring release, so just released this past Monday. It's a custom fragrance of pear, apple, strawberry, and black raspberry is in this one, very with the purple, the blue, and like a teal blue and pink mica swirls. Another pretty one. Actually, I really don't ever make a soap that I don't like the fragrance of. So this one is Dewberry, purple and green. It's just a wild, in the wild berry that grows prolifically around here. So I'm not sure if that's exactly what it smells like, but it does smell very good, really pretty. And then we had two of our, in which the Dewberry was also part of our spring release, and Trial by Fire was which is also one of our musician band inspired soap, which was inspired by the Trial by Fire album by Journey. So we got two of those. All right, so I'm gonna put some tissue paper in here as well. And then we have some samples. Where are my samples? Oh, here we go. We're going to do a Blackwater Bonfire, which is this is what it looks like on the inside. It has activated charcoal and a mica, and it is a local favorite. The fragrance is very kind of woodsy and earthy, but also bright, and it also is it has a sweet tone to it. So it's kind of a complex scent, but it is one of my favorites, and it has been one of the favorites for all of the businesses that we have our soaps in locally. They really like this one. I don't know why, but a few firemen, maybe because it's called Bonfire, I don't know. But I've been told that they love this one. But anyway, and then we also have, I'm gonna put a Lavender Mint in here, which that would be this one. It's another all natural with dried mint, and it has lavender and mint essential oils, so it's another all natural. And then we'll do I don't know, let's see, maybe the neem charcoal. This is our facial bar, which has unrefined neem oil with activated charcoal and razul clay. The activated charcoal and the razul clay pull impurities out of skin. The neem oil is actually a natural insecticide, so this is actually a really good soap to use as a shampoo bar for your pets, not cats probably. I'm not sure cats really like to get baths, but I know ours doesn't. This one will kill any fleas, lice. You put it on and you let it sit for 5 minutes, and this is just what I have found to be true. I'm not making any claims or anything, but and this one is good for dogs because it's unscented. It doesn't have any essential oils in it. We do make another version of this one for the complexion, which this one is good for the complexion too. It's just unscented, and it has tea tree and lavender essential oils, but this one does not. Tea tree is not good for dogs, so we wouldn't recommend using that one as a pet shampoo, but this one is really good for that. You let it sit for 5 minutes and wash it off. And also the neem in it also is beneficial to the skin. It's actually been known to help to restore, to repair hair growth, so makes a good shampoo. All right, so then we're just gonna put, I need our invoice. We always write a little note, put that on there, put that in, and then we'll do this first. Get this all wrapped down. We're gonna seal it with one of our stickers, which I custom make my own stickers with my Cricut. All right, these all in here. Write this all in here. I just like using the paper. It's just like a little fun. Make it fun when you're opening a package. It's like getting a birthday present. And what makes a better gift to give than soap? All right, so that is how we package our soap orders. And then I just wanted to show you what we do for our samples. We use paper little sandwich bags. They are compostable, they're unbleached, they're chlorine free, so good for the environment. We always like anything that's compostable, as we like to put paper ourselves into our permaculture food forests garden beds that we're forming all around the property, intermixed between the millions of trees that we have. All right, so this is actually, I'm going to show you this one. This is the inside of the Journey, the Trial by Fire. So we'll get one of those packaged up. There are little labels which are also made from recycled paper, and our labels that we wrap around our soaps are also made with recycled paper. All right, so that is how we package our package our sample bars that we send out, and we try to send out as much as we have availability to send out. We're actually running low on soap right now. A lot of this stuff is selling out, especially after this last order. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on and show you just a little bit of something different about what we do at Faith Farm Goats. And if you could do us the favor of please hitting the like button, that really helps with helps us to get noticed, the algorithms or whatever they are on YouTube, and you can find us on Instagram, Faith Farm Goats, Facebook, Faith Farm Miniature Goats on Facebook, and And that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe. If you have questions about soap making or goats or whatever, let us know in the comments what questions you might have. And we do appreciate you, and we thank you so much for supporting our farm. It really does help. This is one of the ways that we are able to continue doing what we do, to share the beyond organic movement, permaculture, or doing things naturally, self-sufficiency, homesteading, all of that kind of stuff. So if you want to help us to continue to do that, we appreciate your support, and we thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you all have a blessed day and you all stay healthy and well.